Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Saturday, February the 15th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a beautiful Sudoku, so let's get started. Let's see. I see here a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 1 should be here or there. But I see here already a 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then a 5 in this row, a 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then the 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers, 5 empty boxes. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7 should be here. And then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row. The only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here already a 7, no 7 here, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, the lucky 7. Alright. Then let me see. A 5 in this column, a 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then Then let me see for the 3. Yes, here we have 2 missing numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 3. The 8 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. So we have a 3 in this column, we have a 3 in the last column. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 8. 8 and 4, 3, 8 and 4, 3, 5, no. 8, let me see. Yes. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. In this row, the numbers are 2, 8, and 9. 2, 8, and 9. I see here 2 and an 8, so no 2 and 8 in this box. So 1 digit left, that's the 9. Here we have 8 and 2, 8 and 2 left as a pair. But I see here in this column, we have an 8 in this column, so there cannot be an 8 here. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then we have 2 missing numbers in the 3rd column. The numbers are 6 and 9. 6 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column, the 4th column. The numbers are 6 and 4. 6 and 4. I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 missing number in the last column for the number 1. Then 8. Let me see. Yes, I see here a 6 in the 1st row, a 6 in the 3rd row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 6 should be here and there. The same with the 9. We have a 9 here in this row and 9 in the 3rd row. So in the 2nd row, The only two places for the 9 should be here and there. So we have a pair, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Remember that, 6 and 9. So in the second row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8 should be this one. 1 box left for this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left for the second row for the numbers. Here we have 6 and 9. These 2 should be 3 and 2. 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 box remains for this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left for the first row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left for this third row for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Then here we have 9 and 6, 9 and 6. 9 and yes, this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 6 and 9. 1, 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9 should be this one. 6 and 1, 6 and 1 is left. These 2, the numbers 9 and 6. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 6 goes there. Here we go back. The numbers are 6 and 1. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this middle column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and a 2 goes there. Then for 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 2 digit left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left for this row, the middle row, for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we finish this in 14 minutes. Alright, people, have fun with this Sudoku. Thank you for watching. And if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you want, or if you like, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye bye.